Furry character, Leopard girl. A ready-to-play, low-poly model featuring 55,000 triangles, 36,000 vertices, 5 materials, 22 PBR textures. Additional details. Face, hair, and tail have additional bones for enhanced flexibility. Weight painting is well executed, ensuring smooth joint movements. Face with Blendshapes 52 Apple AR kit. Compatible with any humanoid animations from the store, making it versatile for various games and avatars. Suitable for RPG games, fantasy games, hyper-casual games, avatar creation in social media, Oculus VR and PC VR environments.